Greetings to all of you. I am Utkarsh Singh, a student of Spectrum High Academy. I am completing my homework at now. We know that all the world is suffering from very great and dangerous viral disease known as COVID-19, popularly known as coronavirus disease 2019. Our country India is also affected by this disease to some extent. We know that there is no authorized medicine or vaccine is available still to cure it. The common symptoms of this disease include common cold, cough, sneezing, and breathing disorder. Uses masks and sanitizers may save us from this disease. We know that our government has recently launched Arogya Setu app that may help us to control this disease. We all Indians are the nation. We are the warriors and we are to protect our nation. We know that our country India is still good to control this disease as compared to other countries of the world. And we should stop this corona from spreading. I am very thankful to my all the Spectrum family who is trying to keep us learning in this lockdown situation. I am also thankful to my all teachers who are in contact with us. They give us homework, check us, improve us, and they are also available in our doubt solving. They solve our doubt on the regular basis, and this help all the students of our school in this situation. We know that this is very critical for entire society, but we are to help our country. We are to help ourselves. The great thought prevention is better than cure. We should also follow this. The single and the small prevention against this disease may save our life. And if we would able to save our life, then this would help in the growth of the country also. We are we all Indian are the asset of our nation. So this is our moral duty to save our the nation in this critical situation. I know that you are at your home in this situation, and you should, because if you stay your home, then to some extent you are not in contact of this viral disease. I want to make sure you that this disease is not only dangerous for all of us but for the entire living beings. We know that this coronavirus disease is spreading very fast. Sometimes we feel that there is no possible way to control this disease, but this is all is fake. We can control this, and we will able to control this because we all Indian are in the unity. So this will help us to control. I request to all the students to study at your home, because if you study at your home, then this will not only help us you to save this disease, but also you will improve yourself. You will take the knowledge by studying your home. I am also studying my home day by day. So I hope you all the student, being a student, this is my responsibility to aware about you this disease, and you all study home, stay safe, and once again the very popular slogan that हारेगा कोरोना and जीतेगा भारत. So thank you so much.